Okay, now let me introduce for the SUPERCAN laser panel. What is this panel? There is temperature here. So the temperature is the laser diode temperature. So you always can monitor what kind of temperature is inside of the laser. This is STBY, it's standby. Standby is the fan state. Let me turn it off. Turn it on again. Now you get the fan speed. Because if the temperature is lower than 35 degrees, the fan will be switched off, go to standby mode. Okay. The second thing is here is the current for the 220 AC input. This is the how many power using right now. This is really good for the installation project or on the show, because you always know how many currents your laser is using. Scan. This scan mean is the signal got from the scanner driver. This is a standby. Standby the mean is no signal input. The scanner is not moving. If it's moving, and here will be change. And the last one is the elder. Elder mode is standby. Standby is you already plug in the elder cable, but no signal going in. If I plug it out, then will display no cabling. This is very helpful for if you want to checking the elder cable or the signal or what's happened with the complete laser system. Now I plug in the elder cable. Okay, now you got standby. Okay, now we can try to turn on the laser software to output something. Super. Then you got what's the difference? The elder will display active, mean it's the signal is going in the laser, scanner is running. Okay, I want to show you the guys how is the scanner protection function, how it works with the SUPERCAN laser panels. Some laser graphics or animations from Pannel or from any kind of the laser software have some very strong graphics. How to say strong is crazy. Animation will damage your scanner. Now our laser set up a scanner protection function. Like this kind of animation will push very high current for the scanner. The scanner, the gulf inside, will get very hot temperature, will be damaged in very short times. Okay, now we turn to the laser part. Now the scanner is standby, elder is standby, mean is elder cable already plugged in, but the signal is empty, no signal. Now I try to output the normal animation. This is normal animation. Now I try to output the animation can damage your scanner. As you see, now it is warning. The mean is already overdrive. The scanner get too much current. Then the complete scanner system is protection right now. So if you don't have this function, the scanner will very easy to damage. You see, and after the protection function is working, in 15 seconds the complete system will work again. But if the crazy animation still going into the scanner signal, then the complete system will protection again. Okay, now we change to another animation, so we just wait for So the complete system is no problem. It's running. Elder is active. Let us see. So this function can be protection your scanner. Okay, we want to see if without the scanner protection how the scanner will work. Now we turn off the laser power. Okay, plug it out the protection board for the scanner. Take out the signal. Okay, the signal is here. Okay, we fixed the display again. Okay, now I turn on the laser. Power is coming, temperature is coming, the elder needs to wait a little bit because the system needs 15 seconds to running up. Okay, the scanner function is not here, means no signal. So because this card is not here. So if we outputting the animation like before, without protection right now, then you can hear the scanner. It's going to crazy and the temperature will going to very hot in very short time. And as you see, the output already not normal. So we better turn it off. So we have so many electro parts to protect the complete laser system. This is minus 24 volt. We always monitoring the current. If over current, the complete signal will cut it out. And the laser signal also, if the signal not normal, like because the normal blinking signal is from 0 to 5 volt. If the signal is more than 5 volt and maybe 10 millisecond or 100 millisecond means the complete the signal is wrong, so we need to cut out the signal. So if the laser module itself the temperature is too high, so we also cut a little bit out. If it's still too high, we will cut the complete output. So this blue LED is the cooling system. So if the signal disconnect means maybe you connect the elder cable, you turn on your laser software, but no signal is outputting. Like right now, you just take about 15 to 30 seconds, then the complete cooling system will start work to wait for the next signal coming. So the laser always very cool down. This complete system is always very cool, not just turn on 1 or 2 hours, the complete system very hot. So this is very helpful for the complete system. And as you see now it's 33 degrees, but the fan is standby, it's not working. Okay, the next system is the scanner protection function. This is a normal DT scanner. We always monitor the current and the protection. So if the scanner is broken, so we know that. But sometimes the scanner itself is not easy to broken if you don't going into the very high signal, like because the scanner signal is between minus 5 volt to plus 5 volt, totally 10 volt. If the signal might be going up to 10 volt or 20 volt, so that is a big problem for the scanner because the current will double times. As you know, this is just a motor. The motor inside is a very small coil, so it cannot catch. It's too strong the current for the glove. So it's very easy to damage. So we monitor here, and the second thing is that we limited the current here. So we display the complete system here. If the scanner have problem, so we also send out a signal to the elder amplifier to stop the laser output. So complete system is a very smart system, and this size we designed for the same size for the FB4, so we can very easy to plug in the laser similar like FB4 to monitor. But this is not just a monitor. system. It's a very smart system. As you see now, the complete laser is not working, like not working because there's no signal going in. You see the current just 0.08 or 9 amp. This is because the PCB needs power for working, and as you see, just 21 or maybe 18 watt the total power. So this is a really good system for installation project or shows or something. As you see here is the LED for display the scanner, how it works. The first LED is the current up to 1 amp. The second one is up to 2 amp because the scanner glove is 4 ohm. If 2 amp is very high current already. So the complete system always calculating how many current, how is the position, the scanner is good or not, something like that. If I stop the signal. As you see, the first LED will light up right now. The mean is no signal input. The scanner is not moving. This mean is also using for the laser safety function. If you need a safety function, this is very helpful because if this LED is light up, the complete blinking is off. So this is also for the laser safety function. So also for scanner fail function. If the scanner fail, so as you see, if the scanner fail, how is the scanner fail? I show you. Okay, I turn. Okay, this is scanner. This is the signal. Also see, this is scanner fail. Already fail. So we need to cut the blinking output something. So this is a very smart system.